What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are comparing ARB single and dual air compressors to see which one is worth your money. Currently I have the single compressor air pump along with the 1 gallon tank installed in the Land Cruiser. The tire size that I'm running is a 315/75/16. And this is the new dual compressor air pump that I'll be putting in. This is how I'm going to do the test. I'm going to air down one of the tires to 20 psi and have it refill up to 40 psi, which is what I usually use to drive on. To keep things consistent, I will have the Land Cruiser running the whole time. I'll wait for the pumps to completely fill up the tank before I start airing up. Now let's time how long it takes the single air compressor to air up my tire. So right there, we're right about 20 psi. Now let's turn the car on and let the air tank fill. Right there, 40 psi. And now let's put in the dual compressor and see how much faster it is. Okay guys, this is the new setup. As you can see now, it is a dual compressor as opposed to the single. The wiring was actually a lot different. The only wiring that was the same was the wiring to the switch, so it took a little bit longer than expected. I might have to do something with this guy in the near future, but for the meantime it should be okay for this test. Everything fits really nice. This is the SLE dual battery and air compressor bracket. Didn't have to drill any holes, everything was already there. So next, let's see if it works. Okay, let's start the car. And then, where's that switch at? There. Oh, there it goes. It's working. This guy is at 20 psi. So let's start the clock. And there we go. We are at 40 psi. So the air up speed of the dual compressor is almost double of the single compressor. Now, my question to you is this. Do you think at almost double the cost, the dual compressor is worth it? Let me know in the comments down below.